I'm Melissa Kite, coordinator of Helpmate's Court Advocacy Program. Our Court Advocacy Program office is located right here in the victim waiting room on the second floor of the Buncombe County Courthouse. And a court advocate is available to assist you Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'd like to share with you some information about the role that our court advocates can play within your court experience. We provide information to clients regarding the legal system. We assist clients with filing a domestic violence protective order and/or criminal charges. We prepare clients for what to expect in civil court and criminal court. We consult with attorneys, clerks, law enforcement, judges, and other court personnel on behalf of clients. We collaborate with clients on a safety plan. We refer and connect clients to appropriate community resources. We accompany clients to court, and we provide moral support to clients. Once you have filed a protective order or criminal charges, or even if you're not considering taking legal action, we can assist you with a safety plan. This plan can be as simple or as detailed as you would like, but it will always be personal to you and your specific circumstances. We can also help you plan around any upcoming court dates that you have. For example, assisting you with child care options, a plan for getting in and out of the courthouse safely, and arranging for an advocate to sit with you in the courtroom. Coming to court can be intimidating under the best of circumstances, much less when one is living with the very complicated dynamics of domestic violence. Our goal is to provide you with as much information, advocacy, and moral support as you need to feel more comfortable and well-informed throughout your process of healing and moving forward.
I'm April Burgess Johnson, the Executive Director for Helpmate, and I want to commend you on the courage that it took to take this next step in seeking protection from the court. I also wanted to take a moment to make you aware of all of Helpmate's other free and completely confidential services. We offer case management services, so if you're dealing with a practical question like, how do I get diapers for my baby? Where do I find work? Where can I find safe housing? Then our case managers can help you address some of those issues. If you're dealing with the long-term trauma that this experience may have caused you or a short-term crisis that you may find yourself in, we also have a team of counselors that are available to provide both individual therapy and group education classes and support groups that are available to you at no charge. We also have an emergency shelter for victims and their children. So if you find yourself without a safe place to stay, then please talk to one of our staff members so that we can help you meet that need and find a safe place to be. All of these services are available through our 24-hour domestic violence hotline, and you can reach that hotline at 254-0516 or by dialing 211 from within Buncombe County. Finally, I want to make you aware of our comprehensive community education programs. Once you move forward from this experience, if you find yourself as a member of a faith community, a civic group, a workplace, or another organization that you think could benefit from information about Helpmate, domestic violence, or services available in our community, we hope that you'll remember us and take advantage of those services. As always, if there's anything else that our team of court advocates or other staff members can do to assist you in your journey, please let us know. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Joseph Fishback with the Buncombe County Sheriff's Office. The Sheriff's Office is responsible for providing security inside the courthouse as well as in each courtroom. The Buncombe County Sheriff's Office has a court security division whose priority is making the courthouse safe and secure for the members of the public who visit it. When you arrive at the courthouse, you'll notice deputies working at the main entrance. These deputies are screening members of the public to make sure that no weapons enter the building. These deputies are also available to help you should you have any concerns for your personal safety or the safety of anyone else. Between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m., there will always be deputies at the front entrance should you need help. There are also deputies working in each courtroom as bailiffs. These bailiffs are responsible for making sure the courtroom operates in an orderly fashion. If at any point you feel you're being harassed, intimidated, or have any concern for your safety, please let the bailiff know immediately. Deputies in court security will also be happy to walk you to and from your vehicle when visiting the courthouse. If you would like a deputy to walk with you into the courthouse, you can call 250-4609 between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday to arrange for a deputy to meet you at your vehicle. Please remember, our main priority is keeping you safe, so please do not hesitate to ask us for help.
My name is Todd Williams, the elected District Attorney for Buncombe County. The Buncombe County District Attorney's Office is comprised of a staff of investigators, victim witness legal assistants, other support staff, and assistant district attorneys who have been specially trained to prosecute criminal cases in court. We will strive to do our best to represent your interests, but ultimately, your cooperation is essential in achieving justice in your case. Unfortunately, justice is often not a swift process. Most cases are not resolved on the first setting and may require multiple settings. There is no set number of times a case can be continued, but the Office of District Attorney will aim to resolve domestic violence cases as quickly and efficiently as is humanly possible. On the day of court, you will wait in a separate area before your case is called. You will have an opportunity to speak to the Assistant District Attorney at least once. Most of your contact before trial, however, will be with either a victim witness legal assistant or an investigator. The victim witness legal assistant should help you with many of the questions you may have and will ensure that all appropriate parties and evidence is prepared in your case. Our investigator is a sworn law enforcement officer who may also assist in collecting evidence and investigating your case as needed. Please bring any evidence you have with you to court. Most cases in DV court will either be resolved by plea or by trial. The Assistant District Attorney will explain both of these for you in court, as well as possible sentences. Should the matter go to trial, the Assistant District Attorney will also talk to you about testifying in court and the process of a trial. If you need to bring someone with you as support, that is fine. Our staff will be on hand to provide support as well. In North Carolina, victims have the following rights. You have the right to be informed of and be present at court proceedings of the accused. You have the right to talk with the prosecutor and provide a victim impact statement. You have the right to be heard at the sentencing of the accused and at other times as allowed by law. You have the right to receive restitution. You have the right to receive information about the conviction or final disposition and sentence of the accused. You have the right to present your views and concerns to the governor or agency considering the release of the accused. Thank you for your courage and cooperation as we strive to achieve justice in your case and keep our community free of acts of domestic violence.
My name is Travis Miller. I work for the Buncombe County Courthouse, Domestic Violence Division.
And I'm Trish Coley. I work for Buncombe County Courthouse, Domestic Violence Division.
We'd like to take a few moments to explain the process for filing a Domestic Violence Protective Order, or 50B as referred to in the general statute. These forms can be filled out by you. If you need help understanding or reading them, please take it home to have a friend or a family member assist you, or you can contact a local attorney to represent you. In order to qualify for a domestic violence order, your issue must fall within one of these categories listed on the first page of the forms.
Once you have completed all the required documents, someone from Helpmate staff will contact myself or Travis to come out into this room you're currently in to complete your swearing-in process. Just remember, you are the plaintiff in filing these documents and the defendant is the one that you're filing against.
Our hearing times are Monday through Friday at 8:15 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. This means all your documents must be completed and turned in to be able to see one of our district judges. They will determine if your case is valid for an ex parte, which means you are in danger right now, or they will set you for a hearing for the following Thursday to determine if a one-year order needs to be entered. We know that this is a very difficult and sad experience for anyone to have to protect themselves against domestic violence, but our staff is very knowledgeable about this process. We're also here to direct you to the resources that are available for you in our community to help you through this process.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you a little insight and understanding of this process and what will happen once you submit your forms.
Remember, we are here to help, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.
Greetings. I am Sergeant Ben McKay with the Buncombe County Sheriff's Office.
And I'm Sergeant Joe Silberman with the Asheville Police Department. We're both representing the on-site law enforcement partners at the Family Justice Center.
As partners, we work very closely to bring you the very best police services possible.
Services like speaking with a law enforcement officer about what's going on and be provided with options.
Services like having a situation professionally documented and a record created.
And at your request, further investigation could occur on your behalf.
We can assist with criminal charges and certain civil processes.
You could also be connected to services to include victim compensation.
If you have any other questions or concerns, please visit us at the Family Justice Center.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to assisting you.
Hello, my name is Steve Cogburn. I'm the Clerk of Superior Court here in Buncombe County. You're seeing this video because you are in our safe room waiting to file a civil no contact complaint. It is important to us that you know that you are safe in this room. We have security throughout the courthouse, and the Sheriff's Office is located on the 4th floor. We've taken a lot of measures to try to make sure that your safety is put first while you go through this process. We know the process is difficult, and we will try to assist you in any way that we can. The process that you're going to go through today really involves the filing of civil no contact complaints. Those may involve 50Bs or 50Cs, depending on the circumstance. What we really want you to know is that the folks here at the courthouse, and some of which you will see on this video, are folks in the clerk's office, are here to help you. We're here to help you to get through this process. However, it's extremely important that you do keep in mind that the court system must be fair and unbiased. For that reason, we are also always going to be aware of the fact that there are at least 2 parties to every case. You're here today, you're bringing a complaint against someone who is not here today. Their rights must also be preserved. If you are seeking justice, justice is important to us that it be done for everyone. The process that you're going to go through today, you will fill out paperwork. After that paperwork is complete, you will have someone come in and ask you to swear to the information contained on that paperwork. Please be complete and as accurate as possible. Once you've completed your paperwork, you will be asked to wait until the judge is available to see you. At that time, you will have the opportunity to meet with a judge in private. After the judge has met with you and consulted with you, the judge will make a determination as to whether your order will be allowed or not at this time. In any event, a hearing will be scheduled within 10 days to complete the process. Again, we want you to be relaxed and understand that we're here to help you.